headlines. Shiv Sena loads Manipur cabinet decision to tackle drought-like situation. Two persons found dead in separate incidents in Manipur. Newly appointed Chinese envoy to India, Sun Weidong, arrives in New Delhi. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira, and now the news in detail. Convener of Manipur Democratic Alliance, M. Tombi, today lauded the state government for taking a firm cabinet decision to tackle the drought-like situation facing the state. During a press meet held at the office of Shiv Sena Manipur, Shiv Sena office, Babupara, M. Tombi also miffed over the absence of 7 ministers from the cabinet meeting held yesterday. He said the current political crisis has created a serious problem to the public. Tombi also urged the state government to bring an end to the long-drawn political stalemate. He also said MD appreciates the state government's move on taking a loan of Rs 3,283 crore from New Development Bank for the purpose of providing drinking water for the state. Attending the press meet, co-convener of MDA, K. Khogan, informed that representatives of MDA will soon visit Delhi and meet the President to discuss the long-pending Manipur People's Bill.
Tamgiba Kudol Nangasi Keji, Lupaki Yorimane, Matang Chahidadi, which Akoi, Lupasama, the Sing Pangdabia, rural area, the Leba, Aduga city area, the Leba, Adu Sing area, the Labor Singsda, Tongan Baketagari, Home Togna, water tap, Takanabi Sing Pina Nabita Mukta, Akoiki, Crore, Lising Homga, Sunny Marfukum Doi. Bang a sinner section to Virakpasi, Machina Marmorkanda, Nasi Ekoi, Singi Lamda, Kungangi Lamda, Sing up of a taco Pangdava, Masidiki Tolopa, Anaba Kadoba, Mayama, Maduki Potungato Unaba, Asumba, Koigi, a sing be sing Pitan Naba, Bang a sinner, I told Peter Simba Masisu, Akoi, Manipur Democratic Alliance Market, Taram Noxuri.
Newly appointed Chinese envoy to India, Sun Weidong, has arrived today in New Delhi and resolved to work for building better ties between the two Asian giants. Sun's immediate priority will be to coordinate with the Indian government for the second informal summit between Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Chinese President Xi Jinping in India in October. A seasoned diplomat, 53-year-old Sun succeeds Luo Zhaohui, who returned home 1.5 months back after being appointed Vice Minister in the China's Ministry of Foreign Affairs. Known to be an expert on South Asia, Sun had served as China's ambassador to Pakistan from 2013 to 2017. A woman was found dead today at Chingmairong Cemetery. As per a report, the deceased had been identified as one Mona De, aged 20 years, from Chingmairong, Lai Ingol, Imphal East. Further details are awaited. In a separate incident, body of a man was found at the canal of NHPC Loktak Road in Bishnupur district. The deceased was identified as R.K. Sanayama, a resident of Uripok village in Bishnupur district, according to sources. Lainingthau Sanamahi Sanapung LSSP Kanglei Park organized an awareness-cum-decision program on traditional dresses and costumes at GM Hall, Imphal today. The program was held to deliberate on the importance of traditional attires and how to preserve them. Management Secretary of LSSP, Nauchinglen Mangang, said it is utmost important for the youths to maintain the traditional clothing pattern, which is a part of preserving the program. Art and Culture Minister L. Jayantakumar, along with several other resource persons, attended the function. Speaking at the occasion, Minister L. Jayantakumar called for a united Manipur and to end the controversy surrounding Meitei and Meitei nomenclature.
Every paragraph is quick conscious or avoid the person. What kind of conscious way? I was a hydro awareness discussion on traditional dresses and costumes and Habitsagi. Tamai for double a high at the beginning. Upon university in Chessel upon the bomb Chessel. Vision sort of the video will see. But the Torboka and the command city dress it over the academics between the big dress name. For the meeting with Mr. Canala Kangian, I say. We got the Kangian Kangi, but according to me, when they exposed over them, Yawis in it.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯅꯥꯊꯩꯗꯨꯅ ꯊꯝꯂꯨꯔꯕ ꯏꯅꯥꯠꯀꯤ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯝꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯤꯔꯣꯜꯅ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯔꯛꯄꯗꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯤꯖꯤꯟꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯊꯦꯡꯅꯔꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯂꯨꯕꯅ ꯆꯦꯛꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯋꯥꯠꯍꯧꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯀꯥꯏꯐꯗꯕ ꯀꯌꯥꯁꯨ ꯀꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯀꯌꯥ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯈꯪ ꯑꯍꯩꯁꯤꯡ ꯀꯧꯖꯔꯒ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯔꯤꯛ ꯆꯨꯝꯅ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯄꯥꯎꯗꯝꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯌꯥꯗꯕꯗꯨ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯄꯨꯟꯅ ꯈꯪꯃꯤꯟꯅꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯤꯖꯦꯜ ꯂꯩꯇꯦꯡ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯁꯦꯡꯅ ꯂꯩꯅꯕꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯟꯗꯝꯗ ꯁꯤꯟꯖꯕꯅꯤ.
The farmers of Wangu Terakhong Gram Panchayat in Kumbi constituency are facing hardships as several paddy fields are lying in waste due to shortage of water. During a field trip by media persons in the area today, the Pradhan of the village P. Baleshwar and farmers expressed their views to reporters and urged for support from local MLA and state government to cope with the situation.
Terakhong Gram Panchayat ki manungda hujik ikang thoktana lairiba lokham sing asi chaurangna lopari lising amaga chamri muki chang asi hujik kangduna laire aduna marmaduna hujik panbiriba laingangna amadi agriculture department na hairiba koigi area gi lau kangiba si ki damakta kari khondang paikat piba yabage haibadu athuba matamda haibate lengang ni jingjing biduna paikat piu iram damasida panbiruba local MLA amadi hujik panbiruba laingang na hairiba koigi GPS ki awaba amadi kumbi kendra gi awaba si jingjin bi na ba haiduna ina ngasi mera gi thongda mayamda amadi lengakta pagjana si pijari.
Let's take a short break, but coming up, chances are high for budding talents for a good exposure. More after the break.
Gitam University Visakhapatnamda BSc Nursing amadi MSc Nursing in NPCC gidamak female candidates singna admission to bibi yaragani. Campus manungda masagi hospital leizaraba medical college ni. Room amada mahiroi ani khaktamak leiba lift facility yauraba amadi yamna hygienic oiraba hostel yauraba campus ni. MSc Nursing the admission fanglaba mahiroi singda tha khudingi stipend oina lupa lising tara fangani. Tuition fee structure BSc rupees 30,000 per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. First to fourth year same fees. MSc Nursing in NPCC fees rupees 1.5 lakh per year. Food and accommodation rupees 45,000 per year. Eligibility BSc class 12 pass physics, chemistry, biology and English 50% in aggregate. Manipur gi mahiroi singi oina entrance test yaudana direct admission tobiba yagani. Subnataki seat taramanga khaktani. Akupa marol gidama contact tobirau Educare Zone near Bosem Babupara. Phone number 60090622261 natraga 87940262277.
Welcome back. Therapaibi Organization Manipur, in order to expose the hidden talents of the youth in the field of music, has organized an event called SYMPH Episode 1 at Books and Coffee Sinjumai Imphal today. Budding music lovers and talented musicians attended the event. Founder of Therapaibi, Sachin Kaisham, said the event was held to showcase the unseen talents of those who never have the opportunity to expose their talents.
Particularly koi stage da leiba fange ba duna koi mayam dogi khanjaraga sim episode 1 na handak ko ina open mic session amaga plus koi na guest na haije artist sing se nauna kanot budding artist ngakta ne ba aduga sumaina tawjaraga koi gi event sidagi lakadaba proceeding sing do adu su koi charity da amo kano tawjagadam ne contribute tawjagadam ne.
Ahead of the Indian Independence Day celebration, Porompat Police Station and Imphal East Reserved Line jointly conducted a social service camp at different places of Porompat in Imphal East today morning. The social service camp covered the road stretch from Porompat Police Station to the gate of DC office. Officer in charge of Porompat Police Station, Binod Kumar, said the road crossing from Porompat to DC office plays an important role for the security personnel, and several people threw garbage in the night, creating huge havoc in the areas, he added. In view of all this, the cleanliness drive was held under the supervision of Sub-Inspector of Porompat Police Station.
Iski SP District SP ki akhoi ki kanuda magi miyeng makada ngasi je maruina akhoi ki Porompat crossing da gina DC boxi yamna akhoi ki security ki yam maru oiba jaga su oiba aduga masi akhoi na public sina su masi dumping site ona su ontok pirak pai tare koin 24 hours na ngam damina thing ba hingda natraga mamming eda dam mayam toksen bira me do hojikana singdok pa hona jari.
A one-day advocacy program on drug abuse among the children and roles of parents in preventing drug abuse was conducted at Yaripo Kekru Lemang Community Hall today. Rural Voluntary Services, RVS Wangabal, Kekru Development Youth Club and Kekru Yari Club under Link Workers Scream Project sponsored by NACO and MSACS have jointly conducted the program. As part of Mission Green Manipur Joint Committee on Inner Line Permit System, Manipur Updates and Unlimited Walking Club have jointly organized a tree plantation program at Nongmaiching and Graveyard of Lamjingbatomtv Robin Hood at Awaching, Imphal East today. Director of Tourism Department Waikomi Bohal said the program was conducted to help curb climate change. Meanwhile, a Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal and Interact Club of Maria Montessori School have also organized a sapling plantation program at Jawaharlal Nehru Vidyalaya campus today. President of Rotary Club of Polo City, Imphal, Dinesh Haubam said the tree plantation under the supervision of Rotary Club RI District 3240 is conducted every year to promote Go Green Manipur.
Environment Kandaviyadi Highway Pandam Sida Adugi Pandam the Sinjaba program. Go Green Manipur Haina Si Kanosida Akoi Rotary International 3240 gi continuous project amo in Pangdok 7.
Club Imphal Central in collaboration with State Central Library and Manipur State Archives have also jointly planted saplings at Nitya Ipat to take near State Library Complex, Imphal. Wangkai Ayangpali Leima Kaithel Apunba Nupilub today organized a sit-in demonstration against the alleged failure of the government to provide NFSA rice quota entitled to the beneficiaries of Khetrigao constituency for 10 months. Talking to media on the sidelines of the protest held at Wangkai Ayangpali Leima Kaithel, Loop member Yumlembam Meima claimed that beneficiaries under National Food Security Act in respect of Khetrigao constituency have been deprived of the rice quota for 10 long months. She regretted that local MLA Indrajit has ignored the plight of the beneficiaries despite repeated appeal.
Aikoigi Kendra City, Ayamana Sura Nomaga, Sabal Lekai Neba, Aduda, Masigumba, Sarkargi Kanaraba, Modi Sarkargi Kanaraba, Sigumba, Food Security, Exe, Matam Sana, Mapam Sana Pangan Bidaba Haibaze, Imawena. Tamoi sokna pende nungaite aduna masi kana kana gumba XYZ kana na loba hanguraga su naharul ki kota lowi mahaiba ko naharul ki kota do lowsan noiba sahi amada aniraka e ohumlaka e masing khangna haibi rakanda arembadudi pibiyo haibani magwai haijari se.
Secretary of Hauraibai Awang Lekai Athletic Cultural Awang Youth Organization Yumkhaibong Islamuddin today warned of a series of agitations if the repairing work on the road along the river bank connecting Lilong and Samuro is not started by the related department within 5 days. He stated this during a public meeting held at Lilong Hauraibai Awang Lekai Teramakong. Further, he lamented over the state government's salaged indifferent attitude towards many of the victim families of 2017 flood. He also urged the concerned authority for providing water pumps for irrigational purposes in the area.
Hai riba palasi housing ma ising lakpa matamda hekta chensan gadobi gi mong da lai riba si atuba matam se semjen biba loinana housing nongi marang kaina ta dabana maram oiraga lau uba yadriba parja sing sida सरकार पीरे हारिबा अदुगुम्बा पम्पसिंग अदु लिलोंग केंद्र की मफमदा हौजु फावदा पम्प अमत लैते मसी अथुबा मतमदा पीबीरगा लौ उबा याहनबिबा लंबी चटपा याहनबिबा प्रजाना मिपाई नरिबा सिगुम्बा पल्लसी अथुबा मतमदा सेमजनबिबा हारिबा थबक असि मणिपुर सरकार की पुंगनिंग चिंगसनजरी
मसी लंबेन से अथुबा मतमदा सेमजनबिबा अना कैनोमक कोइलासमक तोबिद्रगसु सेम्बा तौबा याबा हाइदि लंबेन से फजना प्रजागी नुआइगदोबा गाड़ी चेमदसु यागदोबा मोंग अमदा सेमबिबदा यारगदी कोइलास फोबा तोबियु हाइनि खोइ हाना कोइलास तोरमगा मुकाइ हिबनिना अदुदा इखोइ पामे.
As a part of the ongoing one-year-long event on Lupa Phudongba being organized by Library and Information Center Kakching, a competition for English and Mathematics for Class 2 to Class 10 students was held at the premises of Grace Cottage Academy, Kakching. 359 students took part in the English language competition and 533 in the mathematics. We are heading to another break, but coming up, infiltration of Rohingya refugees still a menace in Assam. Do stay tuned.
Manipur University the affiliate Tauba South Asian Institute of Rural and Agricultural Management Langsing Achoba Imphal West ki admission Tauzari course sing adudi VSc Agriculture, VSc Horticulture, Bachelor of Business Administration BBA Nupa amasung nupi ki hostel ki khudong chaba leijari akaknaba sit kharatani akupa marol gidamak www.sairam.org.in natraga phone number 7641929924 natraga 8258801014 natraga 9612812346 ta contact taubiu.
Welcome back. Assam police has arrested one Alam Hussain Majumdar, a Rohingya, for illegally entering India at Patharkandi, Karimganj. Alam Hussain Majumdar entered India illegally through Sutarkandi border in Karimganj. Alam, who was born in Myanmar, accepted that he entered India illegally without passport. After he entered India, he stayed at NC Hills temporarily and later married one Rasina Begum and have 2 kids in Karimganj district. He was living with his father-in-law as he does not own any property. Alam Hussain Majumdar speaks fluent Silet and possesses voter ID, PAN card, a passbook for his State Bank of India and many other documents issued by Indian government. Assam police, responding to a tip-off, raided Alam Hussain Majumdar's father-in-law's house and arrested him. This is the first incident of such kind. There are similar cases where Assam police have arrested Rohingyas and illegal migrants from Bangladesh last month.
কোন আপনার অরিজিনাল জন্মস্থান কোন জায়গা? মায়ানমার। মায়ানমার। তো ইন্ডিয়া কবে না ঢুকলা? ও তো যেদিকে শান্তি ভাই এদিকে জানবাসা নিতে। কোন দিকে ঢুকছেন? কোন বর্ডার ইয়া? করিমগঞ্জ। করিমগঞ্জ বর্ডার। ইকানো কোনানো বিয়া করছেন? ও বাগাদার। বাচ্চা কটা? 2টা। বউর নাম কিটা? রসনা বেগম। তখন কিটা শ্বশুর বাড়ি থাকেননি? জি। আপনার কাছে আধার কার্ড ভোটার আই কার্ড চাইলো? ও তারা বানাই দিছে, আমি কইছি না তারা। কে বানাই দিছে? ও তো আমার শ্বশুর তারা বানাইছে, আমি তো আসলে ভাব।
Nongthambam Indra Kumar has been curator of the 38-year-old Nongthambam Library cum Museum and publication located at Rampur in Hojai for many years. Since he retired from his teaching profession as a Manipuri teacher at Dakshin Hojai School, Indra Kumar is also a recipient of Dr. Ambedkar National Fellowship, Sahitya Ratna Samata, Shilem Award 2017 and Poram Aiba. He has also written and published 15 Manipuri and Assamese books.
Laik lasu adi masana iba adonga laik lasu sayeng jingwa wadi masa asina jinga ba paya marom phongdana akhoi khunai se sengdokna ba sakhona bagi tamakta aina masi tobina bi jamda mayamda aina masema bi hageri.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma yesterday discussed the recent Supreme Court order on auctioning of the remaining extracted coal in Meghalaya with officials of Coal India Limited. The meeting was held at Kolkata. During the meeting, Coal India and Meghalaya government discussed to find out the most practical manner on how to dispose of 32 lakh metric tons extracted coal which is there in the state. The state government has been asked to come out with a report by looking at different rates of coal conduct a survey and find out coal stocks and submit the list of coal stocks and the locations. The CM said that though Coal India has been given the responsibility to dispose of the remaining extracted coal, but due to the limitations of network that Coal India has in Meghalaya, they will need to work with the state government in a very close manner.
The discussion basically revolved around the Supreme Court ruling that took place and the fact that Coal India has been authorized in one way to dispose or to sell the coal stock that is lying. The response was very positive. We had a very productive meeting, and what are the areas where the government of Meghalaya should be working on and what are the areas Coal India should be working on, all those were defined.
The Meghalaya government is also engaging the Central Mine Planting and Design Institute and the Mineral Exploration Corporation Limited to help prepare mining plans for the state. Despite best efforts being made by the leadership to remain in highlight by focusing on party's long-standing demands in deputations with high-ups in Delhi, the regional IPFT partners in Tripura's coalition government is eroding fast. During the past 1 year, large members of IPFT workers and supporters have joined the BJP, even though a few of them have thrown their political lot with Congress, which of course is a temporary phenomenon. The dissertation of IPFT's ranks has gained momentum after the party performed disastrously in the last Lok Sabha election. Controversial Bangladeshi author Taslima Nasreen's resident permit has been extended for 1 year by the Union Home Ministry, officials said today. Nasreen, a citizen of Sweden, has been getting residence permit on the continuous basis since 2004. Nasreen had to leave Bangladesh in 1994 in the wake of death threat by fundamentalist outfits for her alleged anti-Islamic views. Since then, she has been living in exile. At least 9 persons, including 6 policemen, were killed and around 40 others injured in northwest Pakistan today in a terror strike on a checkpost and a subsequent suicide blast by a burqa-clad woman at a hospital where the victims of the first attack were shifted. As per report, both the attacks took place in Dera Ismail Khan district of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, a day after the first ever successful election was held in the newly merged tribal areas of the province. Now time for the top newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express. Cabinet recommends drought hit status for state. MHA working to expand scope of NRC across India. Ex-interlocutor R.N. Ravi talks over as Nagaland governor. Retired IAS remanded on another corruption charge. MPCC decries detention of Priyanka Gandhi. Girl students dead in hostel. Court rejects warden's bell play. The Morning Bell. Cabinet to recommend Centre to declare Manipur as drought-hit state. R.N. Ravi, interlocutor on Naga talks, appointed Governor of Nagaland. Comply with MHRC directives before land acquisition, YWC tells government. Frustrated at ROP 2019, Jesus Storm, Education Directorate. Minister Sam Kumar appeals Centre to review MOHUS scheme for notice. Naga Peace Talks interlocutor R.N. Ravi appointed Governor of Nagaland. High Court stays criminal proceedings against IFP in trial court. Democracy cannot be suppressed, says ex-CM Ibobi. Mass casual leave paralyzes schools. Education Director assures to send proposal for ROP rectifications by Monday. Manipur Mail. Democracy under serious threat under BJP, Ibobi. Continue Central Assistance, CM Kumar. Karnataka Trust vote on Monday.
Now the top stories once again. Sena loads Manipur cabinet decision to tackle drought-like situation. Two persons found dead in separate incidents in Manipur. appointed Chinese envoy to India Sun Weidong arrives in New Delhi. This is all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.